morning everybody, welcome here to another video. I thought that I would vlog today. It's a Wednesday and I just thought I'd take you along for today. I have a couple of things in plan, so if you'd like to keep watching and see what I get up to, please do. So I just finished doing my makeup and I'm about to just straighten my hair because I washed it last night and I sort of dried it, so it's literally gone crazy. It's actually still a bit damp over here, but I'm about to straighten it and I'm then heading out for an event. I'm going to an event for Dr. Hushka, I think is how you pronounce it. It's this beauty brand. So yeah, going to an event for that, which I'm very excited about. I'm going with one of my friends, Stacy. So yeah, it should be a good day. It's not sunny outside, but it's also not raining. So I'm just hoping that it doesn't rain, because that just wouldn't be ideal, would it? So very excited for that. It's also Valentine's Day today. So happy Valentine's Day. I hope you all had a lovely day. I'm wearing a new foundation for the first time today, which I'm very excited about. It is the Satin Silk foundation by Sculpted. I've never had it before and it was the one that I had on my list to try out next, and so I did. I'm actually going to leave a link in the description box for Sculpted, like a discount code, affiliate link, if you'd want to shop some of your Sculpted favorites, and you get to have some money off when you use my my link. It's not an ad or anything, I'm just like a part of their affiliate squad. But yeah, I love it so much. And today I also have the Line and Shine in Mocha on my lips, and that's like one of my favorite lip products. It's just super handy to have like two things in one product. So yeah, that's what's on my face today. But other than that, I don't really have any news. I know I haven't vlogged in a little while. It was Pancake Tuesday yesterday, so we had some pancakes, but there's still some left over and I still have like the batter and all, so I think we might have to have some more today. Oh no. But yeah, I'm gonna finish getting ready. I'll probably show you my outfit. It's really simple, it's just a casual event. So I'll show you my outfit. Ouch, I burnt my fingers. And then we'll be on our way and hopefully I can get some footage for you. Vlog in public. Wish me luck. So here is what my outfit looks like. I'm basically just wearing my Zara jeans, a Zara like white t-shirt, and then this Zara pink jumper, because it's Valentine's Day and I wanted something pink or red. I literally do not own anything red, and this is like one of the pink things that I own, so I thought I'd put it on. I usually actually wear it like wrapped up like it's supposed to be. I thought I'd do like the two little bows instead, just to make it a little bit different. And then I'm wearing my Sambas and just my black bag. So yeah, very simple outfit, but it's cute. I'm gonna have a tiny bit of breakfast and then we're gonna leave. Oh, I was gonna take a photo of this, isn't it? I know. Which one do red? Yeah, I think so. We're in town and there's Stacy. We're in the lift. We thought there was gonna be a mirror here, but no. So yeah, we're here. We're gonna go and I'll show you around. Look, we got 2 stars. And now we're gonna go home because the traffic's mental. Okay. Here is what we got at the event. So they were all giving us flowers, which is super cute. So it's like a little, is it peony? No, it's like a rose plant. Then I got these 3 products. So there's a rose body oil, which smells and feels amazing. the rose day cream and a rose deodorant. I didn't know that was a deodorant. Very exciting. And yeah, so that's what we got. And then I got some Valentine's flowers. Very pretty. And a little teddy. And yeah, we're gonna chill now. We literally got home and we're going to basically relax and then get some dinner. Good morning, everybody. It is now the next day. I am the worst vlogger in the world and I barely vlogged anything yesterday. Are we surprised? No. Yeah, barely vlogged anything. Why? I don't know. I have no excuse. Which means now I have to make this vlog kind of like a couple of days in one. So you are joined with me on a Thursday. I literally just woke up and I put my contacts in, I washed my face, and now I just have to brush my hair. And I'm not really getting dressed anything fancy today because I'm pretty sure I'm home all day. I might have to pop out to a shop or something, but that is about it. So I'm not getting dressed in anything special. It's literally just my comfortable clothes. So that's that. I don't know if you remember, but yesterday I said that I used a different foundation for the first time, and it was the Sculpted Satin Silk. Oh my gosh, I loved it so much. I literally loved it so much. It was perfect. I feel like the one that I usually use from Sculpted, which is the Second Skin Dewy, I feel like that really is dewy. Wow, compared to the Satin Silk, I didn't think it would be. I don't tend to like a matte finish, so the Satin Silk is definitely not matte. It's like the perfect in between this and a matte foundation, and I love it so much because with this I feel like I tend to get a little bit more oily throughout the day. And where the Satin Silk I wore yesterday, it was literally perfection. Like, I did not have to powder again throughout the day, and it was great. It was the perfect amount of like dewiness, and yeah, I loved it so much. So I will definitely be using that. I also have like two different samples of the Hydra Tint and the Tint and Glow that I also really want to try because I've never tried those two either. But I'll see how I get on with that. But Satin Silk, I love it. If you're wondering what shade I'm in, I have 2.75 Fair Golden. That's the shade that I had in my Second Skin, so it's the only reason as to why I bought the Satin Silk in the same color. So that is the shade. I'm literally not doing anything with my face today. I'm just gonna brush through my brows, and I might just apply some of the creams that I got yesterday at the event. I got a Rose Day cream. This is what it looks like, and I'm already using the apricot one, so I feel like I might use the apricot one just because I have it opened. But it's really nice. Love the smell of it. Oh my gosh, it's not coming out. There we go. I love the smell of it. So nice, and a little goes a very long way. So that's what it looks like. So I'm gonna apply that. But yeah, I got the Rose Day cream. I got the, I'll show you now, Rose Day cream. I also got the Rose Nourishing Body Oil. Now this was insane. I tried this at the event yesterday and I loved it so much. Oh, it is so nice. I'm not gonna put it on my hands now because I'm gonna get oil everywhere, but I'm so excited to use this later on. Literally amazing. It smelled so good. It made my skin feel super soft. So I cannot wait to use that. And then I also got the Rose Deodorant, which I'm actually very excited to use and try and see what it's like, because that would be really good. It smells really nice. So yeah, that's what I got yesterday, as well as some lovely flowers. They were really cute. I have them in my kitchen. They did say to put them in the garden, but yeah, I don't plant things. I'm not a garden girl at all. So I'm just gonna have it in my kitchen for a little while and see what I want to do with it then. That is all. I feel like I'm gonna show you maybe some of the PR bits that I got recently. Is that something you'd like to see? So before the event, I got some stuff from the same brand, and I got the apricot day cream that I just used. I also got the soothing cleansing milk, which looks like this, and also a facial toner, and they are so nice. Again, I haven't really tried them like fully. I've only used them once or twice, but I'm very excited to give them a go and use them a little bit more. What else did I get recently? I got another lovely parcel from Lottie London. They always send me some cute parcels. I got this frosted heart highlighter. How cute is that? It was obviously Valentine's themed. It also came with some of these nails. Now, I don't really use stick-on nails, but these are super cute. But I might give them to, like, oh, if you're wondering what that is a wind muff for my camera. It was over there and I got stuck to, yeah, I feel like I'm going to give this to like my cousins or something like that, but very cute. And then there's this Twisted Heart lip tint and lip gloss duo. How cute is this? It's literally like a heart. Oh, it's literally like a heart, and then it comes together and then it opens individually. Very cute. And also a blush bestie. So this blush changes colors. It adapts to your like skin's pH, and it turns whatever color that may be. Very cool. It reminds me of those like lip balms that change colors. So cool. Then I got some vitamin D from Dr. Doreen, and it's the supplement Made Simple. This is them. Very nice. I use vitamin D every single day, so I'll be sure to use this as soon as I run out of my normal ones that I use downstairs. So always handy to have, always really important to have your vitamin D. So if you're not taking it, please do, especially if you live in Ireland, because this country's a joke and our sun intake is 0. I then got a really cute parcel for Pancake Tuesday. Now it came with like a pan and a pancake mix. So cute. And it was for the Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant. And this stuff is supposed to be like so good. I've never tried it before, so I'm very excited. It came with like some of these cups and a little spatula. And yeah, that was basically showing you step by step how to use it, and then that was the pancake recipe. How cute is that? It was just telling you what to do with the pancakes. But yeah, it was for this, so very exciting. I also was sent some Garni micellar water, and this one is apparently like a new formula. But yeah, I love this. I used to use this literally ever since I started wearing makeup. That was the micellar water that I bought, and I love it so much. I haven't used it in a little while just because I've been using like cleansers, but my mom uses this, and I'll be sure to give it to her when she comes around. But yeah, that's everything that I kind of accumulated over the last couple of weeks. As always, super grateful for all the brands sending me this. I'm very excited to try it, and yeah, thank you so much. It is now the next day, and it's a very exciting day because we're going to collect our new car. My little grey Golf is going, and I'm very sad, but I'm going to vlog it before I sell it. So I'll bring it along with me and I'll show you what my car looked like, and I really liked it, so I'm going to go and drive it for the last time before we collect. It's raining. Shh, that's not good. Let's go and collect our car. There's my old car. How does it feel to be in your new car?
Yeah, not too bad.
Not too bad.
Not too shabby of a Friday.
Not too shabby. They do say you have to collect your car on a Friday, don't they?
Usually people collect it with us. That's what he's had the same when we picked it up as well. You go and driving for the weekend. Unfortunately, some people have to work on the weekends, but
I'll
most
take care of
people
it.
don't.
I'll take care of it.
Yeah.
I'll drive.
I'll leave it open for you. You can sit in the garden and pretend to drive it.
I have to
I'll
learn
bring
how
the-
to drive
I'll
it
bring the key with
first.
me.
It's way bigger than my car. I'm not going to show you the outside of it. I'll show you when we're actually selling this to get into something else. But it's a much bigger car than what my little lovely Golf was. I think I am going to miss my little Golf.
I'm always trying to miss my car. My
And
car is a little rocket.
Aaron had a Golf Or, and it was blue, and he loved it. But I feel like this is like a grown-up car.
I gave it one look when I pulled into the car park when it was sitting there today, and I
didn't even see it. Where was it?
Oh, thanks.
I swear to God, I didn't see it.
It was on the left-hand side when we pulled in. It was just there.
And I was looking for it as well, because I didn't expect it to be in the car park since we've seen it on the road or something. Well,
His brother's driving.
Yeah. Anyways, we stopped at Insomnia and got some coffee.
I need to cancel that. I'm on the phone.
And I'm gonna do something.
Hello.
Good morning, everybody. I seem to be literally prolonging this vlog more and more and more as the days go on. It is now Sunday. I don't think I vlogged anything yesterday. I actually don't think so. But I'm kind of sad about it because I was getting ready for an event and I should have vlogged. But here we are. I didn't. I'm looking like a catfish today because I looked a little bit better last night. I had 4 cocktails at the Bombay hair salon launch. It was fab. Such a lovely salon. Like, if you're looking for a hair salon, Bombay, I think it's in Cabra in Dublin. Stunning, stunning, stunning. I cannot wait to visit it again. So yeah, definitely would highly recommend if you're on the lookout for a salon, if you want to treat yourself. They also do laser hair removal and teeth whitening, so definitely look it up on Instagram and see for yourself how fab it is. It's all pink and black. It's stunning. But that's where I went. It was really fun. I brought one of my friends with me, and yeah, that's what we did last night. But as I said, I had 4 cocktails. I haven't drank in months. Literally probably since, I don't know, last like October or something. So that kind of messed with my head. But I'm fine this morning, all good. I did get drunk after 2 cocktails yesterday, but that's okay. These are the couple of bits that we got in our goodie bag, if you want to see. We got some stuff from this brand. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's like a anti-stress mask. We got some Redken things. Again, some more skincare from that brand and some more Redken things. I have a free blow dry or laser hair removal session, so that's really exciting. And then yeah, so I'm very excited about that. Also got their hairbrush, which is super cute. I used it this morning and I love it. I was actually on the lookout for a new one, so I'm very happy with that. I might either pop in a picture here of what the event looked like, or you can head over to my Instagram and have a look. But as I said, I really enjoyed myself, and now I'm home. I had a very chill morning this morning. I'm currently folding the washing that came out of the dryer. So yeah, everything's very exciting over here. But I had my breakfast. I'm watching the Love Island Unseen Bits from last night, and yeah, folding the washing. So let's fold it together. And I think, oh, I forgot. I literally keep going upstairs to get my laptop, and I keep forgetting to bring it. So when I bring the washing up, I'll bring my laptop down, and I want to edit this vlog. So yeah, let's fold that together.
I've never seen such a broad set of shoulders in all my life. Before the break, here's a quick amount of available more.
For details or go online to cashandberrykitchens.ie.
You see, welcome back to Unseen Bits backwards. Take your pick.